Welcome viewers. In this video, we'll see the electrical wiring layout, fourth model, one lamp, one calling bell and one socket, plug point. Subscribe this channel for more electrical videos related to the wiring and other topic. This material also available in the drive link. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. So we have one lamp, one calling bell and one plug point. Now refer the diagram. So the one lamp is available. This is a calling bell. This is a plug point. So we need to go for the wiring of these three accessories: lamp, calling bell and the plug point. So here the 230 volt supply available. 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply available. So the neutral is always connected directly to the accessories, directly to the lamp through the neutral link. So the neutral is directly connected to this lamp. From lamp one more tapping is taken, that is connected to the calling bell. From calling bell one more tapping is taken, that is connected to the neutral of the plug point socket. So the now neutral is connected through neutral link directly to the lamp, to the calling bell and then neutral point of a plug point. The phase is connected, always connected through the fuse and switches. The fuse is used to protect the circuit. Based on the rating, if we put the fuse, if any abnormal condition or overcurrent, the fuse will glow. Fuse will glow means the circuit will be disconnected, so that we can protect the circuit from the overcurrent. So phase always connected through the fuse. Then it is given to the switches. Switch S1. Switch S1 used to control the lamp 1. So when the switch is closed, the supply, the new phase is given to the lamp, so the lamp will glow. From this point, the phase is taken, tapping is taken, that phase is connected to the switch S2. This switch is used to control the calling bell. It's a push type. When it is pressed, it is turned on. When it is released, it will be turned off. But this switch is, when it is turned on, it will be in on condition always. This is a push type. So when it is closed, the calling bell will ring, the ringing of calling bell. So from here one more tapping is taken, that is given to the face of the socket, plug point. So when you put the plug point here, we will get the phase and neutral supply. Here also one switch will be available. So the neutral is directly connected, phase is connected through fuse to the switch S1 to control the lamp. Then tapping is taken, gets given to the switch S2. This is a push type switch, control the calling bell. From here again one more tapping is taken, that is given to the 3-pin plug, so that we can control the plug point also. The earth line is run through the entire wiring network and on the plug point also, earthing point, so that this is become a 3-pin plug. Now based on the distance, we can calculate the PVC pipe and wire requirement. This is 15 centimeter, this is another 15 centimeter, this is 15 centimeter, this will be 20 centimeter, so that this also 20 centimeter. This entire length is 20 centimeter. So by adding all, we can decide how much length of PVC pipe is required. Then we will see the incandescent lamp rating. This is 60 watts 230 volt supply. The lamp what we are using is 60 watt 230 volt. So based on the rating only we can decide the fuse and other ratings, so that we need to decide what type of lamp and what is the rating of the lamp we are going to use. Now we will see some procedure. What are the procedure we need to follow during the entire wiring process? So we need to follow the standard color. For phase we need to use the red color cable. For neutral we need to use black color cable or wire. For earth connection we need to use green color cable or wire. We need to follow these standards. We already discussed the phase wire always connect in fuse and switches only. The phase is connected through the fuse and switches. Neutral is connected directly. Protect the circuit with rated fuses. We need to put the rated fuse so that we can protect the circuit. The rating should not more than or should not less than. It should be exactly what we need. Insulation of wire and end of the conductor are very close to the terminals. We should not remove more insulation. Whatever required, we need to remove that insulation only. Then it is connected very close to the terminal, so that we can avoid the open terminal as well as we can avoid the shocking, and also avoid the over tight and breakage of accessories while making the connection. We should not go for any over tight. We should need to avoid the breakings. Now we will see what are the equipments needed to go for this wiring. One lamp, one calling bell and one plug point. So first we need a PVC contact pipe 20 millimeter diameter, because we have only 3 equipments: lamp, calling bell and plug point. So this 20 mm is enough. 145 centimeter is required. Based on the diagram, the dimensions given, based on that we can decide it is 145 centimeter is required. PVC junction box 4-way, because we need 4-way available. One is going to lamp, another one going to lamp, then plug point, then switches. So that 4-way junction box is needed, 2 numbers. The neutral link is 6 ampere, 16 ampere, 240 voltage. 1 number is required. Fuse unit 16 ampere, 240 voltage. 1 number is required. Then PVC box 4 x 4 inch, 2 numbers required, and 6 x 4, 1 number is required based on the requirement. Then other requirements are PVC insulated copper wire 1 square millimeter is enough, because we need only 1 lamp, 1 plug point and 1 calling bell. That is 480 centimeters required. Based on the diagram, the dimensions given, from that we can decide. Steady baton holder 2 numbers, in order to keep lamp and the calling bell, 2 numbers required. ST switch 6 ampere, 230 voltage, 3 numbers, 1 for lamp, 1 for calling bell, 1 for plug point. Metal saddle 20 millimeter, 8 numbers required in order to fix the PVC cables. Then steel screw 13 into 4 millimeter, 12 numbers required. 25 into 6 millimeter, 34 numbers required. 38 into 6 millimeter, 2 numbers required. Then PVC bend 20 millimeter, 1 number required. 2 in 1 socket 6 ampere, 230 volt, 1 number required. Then VIR wire 1 bar 18 gauge, 80 centimeter required. So these are all the requirement to complete this electrical wiring, this model. Subscribe this channel for more videos and notification. The material link available in the description box. Thank you.